Welcome to this guided meditation for anxiety relief called Sound Bath. In this session, you'll be immersed in soothing sounds to help you relax and release any tension or stress. So please find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to begin. So take a deep breath in, feeling the air fill your lungs completely. Hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale, releasing any tension you may be holding on to. So repeat this process a few times. Inhale deeply, hold, and then slowly exhale. As you continue to breathe deeply, allow your body to relax. Feel your muscles soften and your mind begin to calm. Let go of any worries and focus solely on the breath. Now I want you to imagine being surrounded by soothing, calming sounds. Picture yourself in a serene environment where you can hear the gentle sounds of nature. Perhaps you hear the rhythmic crashing of ocean waves, the soft tinkling of wind chimes, or the gentle patter of the rain. As you imagine these sounds, feel their vibrations gently washing over you, carrying away any stress or anxiety. With each sound, allow yourself to sink deeper into relaxation. I will now ring a Tibetan chime. As you listen, focus on the clear, resonant tone. Let the sound fill your mind and your body, pushing out any lingering anxiety. Feel the vibration of the chime traveling through you, relaxing every muscle, every thought. Imagine the sound dissolving any stress, leaving you feeling calm and peaceful. Next, I will play the Tibetan singing bowl. The deep, resonant tones will help you sink further into relaxation. Focus on the sound and let it carry you away. Now let all these sounds merge together in your mind. The ocean waves, the wind chimes, the rain, the chime, and the singing bowl. Let them create a symphony of relaxation around you. Feel each sound as a gentle wave washing over you, carrying away any tension or anxiety. So focus on how these sounds make you feel. Notice how the vibrations soothe your mind and your body, leaving you in a state of deep relaxation. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment, absorbing the peace and tranquility that these sounds bring. So take a few moments to fully embrace this sense of calm. Feel the peace from the sound bath permeate every part of your being. Imagine the sounds creating a protective bubble all around you, keeping you safe and serene. So breathe deeply, inhaling the calm and exhaling any remaining stress. With each breath, feel more grounded, more centered. Know that you can return to this peaceful state whenever you need to, simply by remembering these sounds and the calm they bring. So it's time to slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Begin by gently wiggling your fingers and toes now. Feel the surface beneath you and become aware of your surroundings. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. And remember that you can revisit this sound bath anytime you need to find peace and release anxiety. Simply close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and let the soothing sounds wash over you. Good work today, and namaste.